Way number 6. Sell art and craft on Etsy. Etsy is an online market which is focused only on the sale of arts, craft, homemade and old items and supplies. Its monthly visit is around 30 million, and hence it is a great opportunity for craftsmen and artisans to sell their product and make money. By using this powerful visit, Etsy top sellers make millions of dollars from it. If you are a good artisan or crafter and you can create your own crafts and art with your own imagination, then it is the time for you to make money. You can easily promote your product using social media as well as by other means, that is, by blogging, networking, and much more. Make the title, take some pics of your art, write description, and mention the price to make the optimum use of your art and craft skills by making money online. Some tips you should consider while doing this method. First, make the list of the products which you can make at your best. Check the products of your competitors on Etsy and find out the demand of products. Mind all these factors and then you should choose what product you can sell. Make an appealing and attention seeking name of your store and then create a well designed logo. For this, you can go to Fiverr. Write an understandable description using persuadable words. For this, you can take idea from top sellers item description. So, what do you think? You can sell arts and craft on Etsy? If yes, then start today. Best of luck.